तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। आशा करते हैं कि अच्छे होंगे। तो आज हम बीटेक सेकंड सेमेस्टर का बुक फिजिक्स का बुक पढ़ रहे हैं। एक्सप्लेन द वेरिएशन ऑफ कैरियर कनेक्शन विथ टेम्परेचर इनसाइड ए सेमीकंडक्टर। द कैरियर connection in a semiconductor refers to the number of charge carriers, electrons or holes per unit volume. The carrier connection is influenced by various factors including temperature. Here's an explanation of how carrier connections varies with temperature in a semiconductor. Intrinsic carrier CN contraction at absolute zero temperature 0 केल्विन और 273.15 डिग्री सी। Active region. This region is made up of a specially designed semiconductor material, typically a direct band gap material such as gallium or indium gallium resounding Indian gas PN junction. The active region is sandwiched between two semiconductor layers which opposite doping forming a PN junction. The P side is doped with a higher connection of positive charge. What do you mean by relations? Optically, why are they observed? Relations optically refers to the rapid optically in the output power of reference to the laser power vs input power. This characteristic describes the relationship between the input power applied to the laser and the resulting output power of or in decide diagram. N type is main assumption of the free electron theory. Free electrons. The theory assumes that there a application of free electrons in a material that are not bound to any specific atom. These free electrons are responsible for the conduction of electronic current in a material. Electron interaction negatively. No external fields. The theory assumed that there are no external electronics or magnetic field acting on the electron. This simplification allows for a basic understanding of the intrinsic properties of the material. By its simplification, the free electron theory successfully explains certain defined impedance. Impedance refers to the total opposition or resistance offered by circuit to the flow of alternating current AC. It is a complex quantity that combines both reference R and resistance X, which represents the resistance R, and reactance X, which represents the resistance due to the Andy Yager. The neodymium dipoded barium aluminum garnet Andy Yager is widely used. Solution of the differential equation. To solve this second order linear differential equation, we assume a solution of the form xt for soluting into the differential equation. Critical damping. Write short notes on the following. Total internal repulsion is a phenomenon that when a light ray traveling in a medium with a higher refractivity angle of incidence, the angle at which strikes the interface applications. The Ferguson equation have practically applications in various fields, including optics, photons, and sufficient. In न्यूटॉन्स, ये तो क्वेश्चन बनाने के न्यूमेरिकल establish the relation between inciting A and B coefficient can be established using the principles of quantum mechanics and the theory of radiation. A coefficient represents the rate emissions, which is the process where excited atom or module where and transistor to a lower energy state. The A coefficient determines the probability per unit time for the emission to occur. Instant B coefficient presents the rate stimulated emission, which is the process where inclined photon interact with an excited atom module, using it to emit a photon with the energy, phase and direction as the inclined photon. B coefficient determine the probability per unit for this. To establish the relation between A and coefficients, we are consider a system of atoms or module. In thermal chemistry with radiation, the population of atoms in the lower energy state is represented by N. The end population of atoms in the higher energy is respectively N to the inside. Construction. Ruby laser. What is the unit of mobility of charge carriers? The SI unit of mobility of charge carriers is m². This unit is also known as square meters per voltage second. It is defined as the ratio of the drift